Hello friends, my name is Saurav Dubey and today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of entire web page. Okay, so we are going to learn how to take a screenshot of full page, right? Full page. So let me show you. This is our web page, right? So if we use our only control and print scan, so we just got only this screen, right? If I want to whole website first page screenshot. So how to do this? So it's so simple. You have to just install one extension is like full screenshot for extension and just click on full page screen capture and here click on add extension, right, and just take over minute. Okay, yeah, right. Now and thanks, and just go to your web page and just click on here. Here's one icon, camera icon, and just click on here and just wait for like minute. Okay, got it. So we got our screenshot. That's nice. So that one is our screenshot. Just click on here, download image, or you can download as a PDF also, right? So I'm just click on PNG image and allow it. And I got one screenshot of my web page. Right? It's fully high quality web page. You don't need to worry about blur image, right? It's awesome. It's awesome, right? So, right. So that's one of my web page, front web page, and my screenshot of entire website, right? So if you have any doubts, so comment on my video and you can ask any question. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.